by and take a look at the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.